Hello friends, my name is Anisina. Today in this video we will talk about adaptation in plants. What is adaptation? Characteristics a living organism that allows it to live and grow in its habitat. In simple way we can say that plants show adaptation in different habitats. What is habitat? The natural home or environment of a living organism. Do you know friends that there are two types of plants? First is the plants that grows on land are called terrestrial plants and plants that grows in water are called aquatic plants. First is terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants are the plants that grows on land. There are 5 types of terrestrial. The terrestrial plants grows in five types of climate. Plants that grows on moderate climate. Second, plant that grows in hot and wet climate. Third, plant that grows on cold climate. Fourth, plant that grows on hot and dry climate. And fifth, plant that grows on wetland climate. There are 3 types of terrestrial plants. First is deciduous plants. They grows in moderate climate. They shed their leaves during winter. Their leaves changes colors with the changing season. Example, mango trees. Second is evergreen plants. They grows in cold and in hot and wet climate. They are conically shaped trees. They have needle-shaped leaves to prevent water loss. They have cones instead of fruits. For example, Christmas tree, conifers and coconut trees. Now we know about the third type of terrestrial plant. Third type is desert plants. They grows in hot and dry conditions. They store water in their thick fleshy stems. For example, cactus plant. Now we know about the aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are the plants that grows in water. There are 3 types of aquatic plants. First is the aquatic plants are that floats on water, but their roots are suspended underwater. They have flowing bodies that help them in floating. For example, duckweed. Second is the second type of aquatic plants are that partially floats. For example, lotus. The flower and the stem remains afloat, but its long stem with the roots grows in the soil underground. Third type of aquatic plants are that grows completely in underwater. For example, seaweed. Now we know about reasons for plant adaptation. The reasons are to get right nutrients, to get right amount of water, to protect themselves from harsh environment, and to store food for future. Now we know about the 3 types of modifications in plants. First is root modification. The best example for root modification is mangrove trees. The mangrove trees' roots are suspended above the ground. They are called aerial roots. They help in breathing air. Second is stem modification. The best example for stem modification is the potato plant. The potato plant stores starch in its modified stem below the ground. Third type of modification is the leaf modification. The best example for leaf modification is the Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap leaves are modified as jaws. They trap small insects and obtain nutrients from them because they grows in nutrient deficient soil. They in nutrient deficient soil. So they trap insects to meet their needs. If you like, today in this video we have talked about adaptation in plants, reasons for plant adaptation based on habitat, and 3 types of modifications in plants. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.